Ever wondered if the latest tools truly live up to their promises? Stick around to uncover some surprising insights about the Makita XDT20 that you won't want to miss. The Makita boasts a sleek compact design measuring just 4.5 inches in length, making it ideal for tight spaces. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing user fatigue. The tool's teal and black finish not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also signifies Makita's commitment to quality. Equipped with a robust brushless motor, the XDT20 delivers up to 3600 RPM and 1590 pounds of torque, providing ample power for demanding tasks. The 4-speed power selection allows users to tailor the speed and torque to specific applications, enhancing control and precision. Additionally, the assist mode minimizes screw cam out and cross-threading by starting at low speed until tightening begins, ensuring a smoother operation. The two tightening modes are designed for faster tightening of self-drilling screws in various metal gauges, preventing damage to both the screws and workpiece. One standout feature is the built-in LED light ring, providing 360 degrees illumination to eliminate shadows and brighten the work area, a significant advantage in dimly lit environments. The compact and lightweight design, weighing only 3.3 pounds without the battery, ensures ease of handling and maneuverability. However, it's worth noting that the XDT20 is sold as a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included. This could be a drawback for ththose new to the Makita 18V XLT system, as it requires an additional investment in compatible batteries and chargers. Priced at approximately $230, the Makita positions itself in the higher range of cordless impact drivers. While the cost reflects its advanced features and performance, budget-conscious users might find it a significant investment. Nonetheless, for professionals seeking reliability and efficiency, this tool offers substantial value. For the latest deals and offers, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: battery and charger not included. Higher price point compared to some competitors. May be overpowered for light-duty tasks. Pros: high torque suitable for heavy-duty applications. Compact and ergonomic design for comfortable use. Versatile speed and assist modes for various tasks. LED light ring enhances visibility in low light conditions. In my experience, the Makita XDT20 stands out as a reliable and powerful impact driver, ideal for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Its combination of power, precision, and user-friendly features makes it a worthy addition to any toolkit. Don't miss out on the latest offers. Check the Amazon link in the description. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.